It's time for part 2 of the children's show.
It's time. It's time. I can't wait.
Shh! I can't hear it.
Last time on the time-traveling treehouse, Anna was lost. Really lost. She wants to learn about baseball, but her computer Mendy sent her to many wrong places.
Mindy, help me. I am in the ocean with a shark.
I will try one more time, Anna.
Please try harder, Mindy. Now where am I? I'm at a playground with a baseball field. Yes! I can teach children about baseball here. Mindy, it took you a long time, but you did it!
Thanks, Anna. Give me a call when you find the answer.
Okay. Come with me. Let's learn how to play baseball. This is a baseball field. This is a pitcher's mound. This is first base. This is second base. This is third base. This is home plate. To play baseball, you really only need a bat, a ball, and a glove. Each team has many players. Pitchers pitch the ball. Catchers catch the ball. Batters bat the ball. Runners run the bases. Fielders field the ball. First, the pitcher pitches the ball to the batter. The batter bats the ball. Then the runner runs to first base. Each time a batter bats, the runners run around the bases. Each time a runner runs across home plate, they score a run. There are 9 innings in a game. The team with the most runs at the end of 9 innings wins the game. Mindy, we found the answer. It's time to return to the treehouse.
Good job. That was fast.
The end.
Good job, Anna. You know, I still don't like children's shows, but I like this children's show.
I like the time travel.
But time travel is not real. You're so silly, Anna.
Yeah, time travel is so silly. Thanks, goodbye, bye, thank you. Hello, Mindy, are you there?
Hello, Anna.
Mindy, I want to go to China. Until next time.